And I go walk back here and watch if you are cheat, number one. But what I'm saying is that if y'all are going to cheat, why are you going to go and cheat with a problematic chick? Why you go cheat with a girl where I come call my phone and I come say, hey, your man didn't spend the night with me, and when the man fear do this to you, he might do it for me. And I look into it, and I said, this is the reason why some of these women glorify being side chicks, because some of y'all men treat side chicks better than own treat on a wife. No make the side chick girls them feel like say them have it over the main girl them, and when you look into it, sometimes they do, because all of a man do, is just come home and come lie down in a bed with me and woman, and then for the rest of the entire day, for weeks, for months, spend gone out with side chick, and the me and woman them, no one carry them out, no one carry them go nowhere. When they dress up and go nowhere, tired, can't do this, can't do that, because so what you think say, you go come sit down and put me down in your house, for come be a local maid, and me there with you so long, and you now married to me, and you up and
Yes. So, we don't know, so One Nation and Imara Nation. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentlemen. Jeez, my name is Negusimara, and I'd like for you to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit notification bell so we can grow the farm. You understand? So, my favorite lady, the Jamaican queen, the queen of all queens, is back. But it's not what you men want to hear. And if you are a man that follow this channel that hate woman, you can just unfollow right now, brother. Because even though I'm holding women accountable, my guy, I do not hate them. So if you hate women, just kindly go, my bro. But anyways, the woman that should flip the script, I should talk about we. M-E-N. We. M-E-N. So listen up. You understand what I say? We're diving into video right now.
come on, man. On a mash up on a good life, on a mash up on a good relationship with the best woman that God ever grown. A woman on a cry day and night and say, God, me always a pick up all kind of woman. I want you to bless me with one of the best woman. And yet still, bam, God goes out and God bless you with the best woman of your life. A woman that helps to build you. A woman that does not tear you down. A woman that wash, cook, and clean for you. A woman that give your husband treatment before you even put on the wife. And yet still, you have the tendency to say, boy, me no know about one woman can satisfy me. Only make some look Jezebel girl from outer road. Some girl wanna know about on a struggle. Some girl wanna know about on a situation. Some girl wanna wash food. Some girl wanna go cook and clean food. Jump in on a life and come mash up on a relationship with the best woman on ever having on a life. No, one thing I can say no. Me not say nobody perfect. And my thing is that if a man want cheat, me can't stop him from cheat.
Go pause that right quick. Mama, everything where you say, real facts. You understand what I say? We pray night and day for the good girl we're going to see with our potential and not try come and use with the girl where I go see the bigger picture, the girl where want to build with you. We get them girl there and they will shit pan them same way. No, for the man them who move like some dunce gal, when I talk about woman, them say, oh, not all women. For all a man, we are going to talk about not all men. We know you're dunce. We know. But I'm just saying, as a society, we need to let go the gallus culture, bad bro. The gallus culture has done nothing for us as a people. You understand what I say? Brother, at time for we let go the gallus culture, brother. Low the gallus culture. And if you want to be a gallus, because I'm not going to lie to you, you know. I'm not trying to be a gallus, but I got girls. You understand what I say? Women, I should say, because I'm a grown man. But you know what I mean? I say girls anyway. But I got women. But I'm not trying to be a player. You want to know what makes me not a player? Honesty. I don't have to lie to these women. Hey, I don't want them serious right now. If you're rocking with it, you're rocking with it. If you're not rocking with it, that's cool. I hope we can still talk. You know what I'm saying? I think you're cool, but you know what I'm saying? That's about it. If you don't want to rock with my program, that's cool. Because I don't want to rock with your program. And that's cool. Hopefully that's cool. Hopefully we can still talk. You know what I mean? You want to hang out, we can still hang out. Friends, of course. You understand what I'm saying? Not to be weird. But we have to let go the gallus culture, brother. How much time we see we're bridging them. And even you as a bridging, see a bridging with a good girl and tell a dog, say, brother, Bill. Because you know it's the outer road mash up, dog. Outer road no good, them girl headpiece no set right, brother. And you have a good cat in your corner. And you go F her up, brother. We need to be smarter, brother. The reason why I'm attack is because I'm talking about myself. What she said, it appealed to me. A real thing. We get some of the good girl them dog. I would just feel like we are jealous. Bro, what is wrong with us? What is wrong? We get a good woman and we still the short dirt, brother. Anyway, go continue, brother.
And I go walk back here and watch if you are cheat, number one. But what I'm saying is that if y'all are going to cheat, why are you going to go and cheat with a problematic chick? Why you go cheat with a girl where I come call my phone and I come say, hey, your man didn't spend the night with me, and when the man fear do this to you, he might do it for me. And I look into it, and I said, this is the reason why some of these women glorify being side chicks, because some of y'all men treat side chicks better than own treat on a wife. No make the side chick girls them feel like say them have it over the main girl them, and when you look into it, sometimes they do, because all of a man do, is just come home and come lie down in a bed with me and woman, and then for the rest of the entire day, for weeks, for months, spend gone out with side chick, and the me and woman them, no one carry them out, no one carry them go nowhere. When they dress up and go nowhere, tired, can't do this, can't do that, because what you think say, you go come sit down and put me down in your house, for come be a local maid, and me there with you so long, and you now married to me, and you up and...
Pause that real quick. Mama say, that's why some of the catty them who are side chicks are so bold and so disrespectful with it. Because we as men, we give them that space, we give them that road, we give them that avenue that they need to disrespect wifey. Are we stupid, gentlemen? She didn't say cheating is right. But if you're going to do that, why are you cheating with some girl where you know are going to cause problem in a relationship? Do you want problem in a relationship? Why wouldn't you talk to a female that's going to keep everything panded down low? Some are just as toxic as the girl them will love cause problem. Uno love that little excitement there. It does make uno would get stiffer though. It make the vein them now would get bigger and broader. And more blood circulate when you know so you have a side chick and your side chick toxic and she text it by your main girl. It have to be, because me don't know how none of as man don't have order in a blood clot relationship. When you make on a side chick and disrespect wifey. Brother, you know what sacrifice wife you have to make for blood clot there with you, brother? You think you're Mr. Perfect? You think you had it all? For your whole heap of in a Jamaican society as men, a lot of these women have to sacrifice, brother. I mean, I tell you, no count on them nothing bad, bro. On them nothing. All of them on the fucking ends with no friend them. I smoke spliff, I swap spit up spliff with no batty man friend them. I want to disrespect on the blood clot woman on the road. You idiot? Are you an idiot? And then this white culture come and make you don't even know what the fuck it is to be a man. When you can't even interact with the brethren because, oh, it's gay. You can't even put your hand on the brethren and say, you're my dog, you know, brother. That's gay. When you make a side chick a disrespect wifey. You know what sacrifice she have for blood clot? Sacrifice for Derish pass the right now, brother? You know things that she have dreams too? You know things that she have ambition? But look who she there with. You! You're a bum! You are a fucking bum! I don't want to hear none of you niggas come on the internet complaining about women. You are a fucking bum! I hate a lot of you niggas, bro. You niggas hype as fuck, but you treat a woman like shit. Anyway, go continue this right quick.
With side chick, and a side go darling there. So you know what, that's why most of you guys will not get another good woman in our life, because you don't mess up the chance with some of the best woman them won't ever get in our life. And then what the artist thing, you see side chick hype on you and them end up say them take your man. When you look back on them life worse than what it was. Because one thing me know, God don't sleep and karma is a bitch. You don't want to go out with me because you don't want nobody look for me. But how is it that you want to go look for another man, woman? You don't want me wearing a body rider, you know. You don't want me wearing a little belly skin because I'm a wife. But at the end of the day, you hold that broke out your yap and big body girl and big breast girl and clean skin girl, right?
I don't understand. And you see, I'm glad she brought that up because it's not only just garments. It's not only just clothing. You know why your girl wears certain clothes because you yourself know say another man gonna look for your girl. You're insecure, bro. I like when my girl is sexy as fuck and I'm walking with my hand on that fucking ass. And motherfuckers is looking at me. Other shot you of the cat here? Yes, bro. And I am fucking her good. I am fucking her good. I like when my woman is sexy. Wear your body rider, mama. You understand what I say? Not when we go into, you can't wear that with my mother. May I tell you that right now. First of all, if you were going to a family function, you have to dress conservative. Me not give a fuck. But if we are the road, wear your body rider, mama. I want a man to look for you. Because when them look for you, them are going to say, I can't the short you to have that woman, yeah. And me, bad bro, me. Remember when they have blood clot Vegas, half a Flamingo and Jamaican club where they half a Flamingo. I remember the road where it actually depend, but they have Vegas, Zine. They have one blood clot Jamaican club half a Flamingo. I mean, I one cat the dead dog and we are left, we are walk. You don't know, I always make my cat them walk in front of me. You see me? Just because, you understand, I want to make sure so I can see her, have her in my visual. I used to walk with girl behind me. She have my hand, but I rather she walk in front of me now. I want to make sure I can see everything we are going. So she walk in front of me, Zane. In my peripheral. I see dog them and watch me like the dog them and say, yo, how the fuck that you to get that blood clot girl? I see him, so me look for some man we have some hot girl and I say, how the ugly you to get that girl? The dog make her happy, bad bro. The dog makes you happy. When you see woman with some ugly man, you know so them girl that just want peace in them life, brother. Because them now look pan looks. You make sight, bro. And this is why I really like this girl. I'm gonna tell you I like that girl, yeah, because she no bias. She see the foolishness of woman do, she call them out pan it. She see the foolishness where man do, she call them out pan it. Me like people like that. Split justice. We as man we recognize and we leave the gallus culture alone. We recognize when we have a good woman in our corner, bad bro. God damn thing there. I'm telling you right now, it's hard to find, bro. I tell all of my brethren they were married. I tell them see your brother. I understand, say you and your wife, you are going about things and, you know what I mean, she annoying in certain ways and she nagging and rare. But this is what I said to him. Them. I said, bro, I will personally take your life. Not my life. I'm not going to give up my life. I'm not talking about my life like what I'm living. I'm talking about my dating life. I would take marriage over dating anyway. Any day. Bro, about 15 minutes ago, I told you in the same... No, not 15 minutes, about 8 minutes ago. I told you in this same video. It is time for us to leave the gallus culture alone, brother. The gallus culture, it no make we go nowhere in our life. The gallus culture, it keep we blinded to the real good woman them where they are road bad, bro. Lord, the gallus culture, bro. It is nice to fuck multiple girls, bro. You think I don't like fucking bitches and skeeting? Whether upon them breasts, upon them pony top, or in them mouth if them really bad? You don't think I like that? But I will take a marriage lifestyle that is pretty much boring to all of my married friend them. I will take that. We will take that, brother. Dating, brother, it's only fun when you just met her. When you just met her, all of the feel-good emotions are run wild, and you will do anything for her. But the minute you skeet, you come back to your senses. She's just a regular human being now. She's still pretty, but you don't give a fuck about the looks anymore. Post-nut clarity. We as man, we need to leave the gallus culture alone. And if you don't want to leave the gallus culture alone, be honest with the gallusacity. If you don't want to leave the gallus culture alone, be honest with the gallosity. Am I right that? If you don't want to be a gallus, no. If you can't stop being a gallus, be honest with the gallosity. Am I right that? Yeah, that's what I say. Yeah, I know the thing. Get it, I say. I don't know say what nation and I'm one nation. No say I don't want a longer video, so the video them get longer. You know what I say? Make sure someone like, comment, share, subscribe, hit notification bell so we can grow the fam. You to the blood clot, the body boy, up move.